Pleasant morning to one and all. Gather here, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rotarian, AKS RFC, Dr. D. Moros Martin, past president. Rotary Club of Coimbatore, Akriti and District Coordinator for Women Empowerment, RI District 3201, would like to take a moment to express my gratitude, my family. First, I would like to thank you, my